Hi, I'm Bob Wall, and I'm the Global Safety Advocate for Nuna. I am a retired first responder from the DC area. I have been doing child passenger safety for a little over 34 years. I assisted with the curriculum that we use currently nationwide to certify people to be technicians, and I'm here with Nuna now. When you ask what's advanced over the years, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration sets us a minimum standard for child seats. Most manufacturers meet and far exceed those minimum standards. We've also advanced in the ease of use. Are they easy to put in? Are they, they self-explanatory? And so over the years, we've evolved into a easier product. The reason why child passenger safety technicians like it is because all the Nuna car seats meet or exceed the current federal motor vehicle safety standards with new technologies and features that enhance security for your child and the entire family. We can't control energy in a crash. We can manage it though. And the way we manage is we try to get as much energy away from the child. When you look at the PIPA series and the bases. The Relax base is an adjustable base that has a rigid lower anchor. So you're talking about a steel bar connected to a steel bar that's connected to the vehicle. That dissipates a lot of the energy. If there's a space between the vehicle seat and the base, you can also adjust it flush into the back of that seat. Then we have a load leg. That takes some of that energy and spreads it across the back of the seat and down through the floor of the car. So you've got all these things working together, and we've dissipated a lot of that energy in the very beginning of that crash. It is just an overall solid seat. We had on the original PIPA series base, we had a bubble and it had to touch the line, and Nuna has taken it and said, okay, how do we make this easier? Without worried about, is the car on level ground? Is the seat right? Using the average slope of a vehicle seat, we dial in 4 on-the-go reclines. So no matter where it is, that science is there. 1 and 2 is the younger, it's more recline. And then 3 and 4 is a little bit more upright. And you don't have to uninstall it to make the angle to what you want. You just push it, it's on the go. It checks all the boxes. It's performance, it's fit, it's easy to use, and it's stylish. It's become, household word at this point. In many parent groups, Nuna is the go-to. But there's a reason Nuna is the go-to, and that's all of these lifestyle features. We're known for being easy to use, and that is our staple. All of our PIPA series seats fit on a Nuna stroller or some select higher brand stroller systems that people want to use. The ring adapter allows us to move seamlessly between the vehicle and the stroller using release buttons that make switching a snap. All of the Nuna PIPA series ensure that the child is secure and the parent feels confident. Here at Nuna, we make a PIPA for everyone's lifestyle.